Recycling is the process by which waste materials are diverted from the waste stream. They're sorted and used to produce new products. Did you know that Australia generates more waste per capita than the US, Canada, and New Zealand, but creates less than the United Kingdom and Germany? According to Grant, Pickett and Randall, in 2014, Australia generated 48 million tonnes of waste. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, in 2010, New South Wales was the biggest producer of waste, followed by Victoria, who was the second largest generator of waste, and Queensland, who was the third largest waste generating state. On the other hand, the Northern Territory generated the smallest amount of waste, generating only 181,000 tonnes of waste, which was 8.5 times less than New South Wales. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, in South Australia, 96% of cans were recycled, as was 96% of paper used in the Northern Territory. According to Grant, Pickett and Randall, the most recycled product in Tasmania was glass, and paper was the most recycled product in the Australian Capital Territory. According to the Department of the Environment, Australia has a total of 2,846 waste management infrastructures with around 806 resource recovery facilities. Australia has, according to the Department of Environment, 806 resource recovery facilities. In 2007, the Australian Bureau of Statistics found that 21.3 million tonnes of waste was deposited into the 1,168 landfills across Australia. Grant, Pickett and Randall state that although landfills use large amounts of energy, are noisy and emit odours, they are an important component of a waste management system. Other methods of dealing with waste, such as incineration and recycling, produce their own wastes, which end up in landfills. According to SITA Australia, plastic can take up to 500 years to break down in landfill, but by making products from recycled plastics instead of virgin materials, water use is reduced by 90%, carbon dioxide is reduced by 2.5 tonnes, and energy use is down by 2/3. Did you know that by producing one aluminium can from raw materials requires the same amount of energy as producing 20 cans from recycled materials? According to SITA Australia, by using recycled cans, 75% less energy is used in the production of new cans. According to SITA Australia, making paper from recycled material uses 99% less water and 50% less energy than if produced from raw materials. The production of 26 sheets of paper produces the same amount of greenhouse gas as driving a car 1 kilometre. It takes 2.5 tonnes of pine to make just 1 tonne of newsprint. One tree makes approximately 3,077 pieces of A4 paper. However, Australia uses 5.5 million tonnes of paper a year. According to SITA Australia, making new glass from recycled glass saves 75% of the energy it takes to make glass from raw materials. It also takes a glass bottle anywhere from 4,000 to 1 million years to break down in landfill. So by recycling just one glass jar, a 100-watt light bulb can be powered for 4 hours from the energy save.